Welcome to today's episode of AI Flow, where we explore the cutting-edge advancements in military aviation technology. Today, we delve into one of India's most ambitious defense projects, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA. This program represents a significant leap forward in India's pursuit of self-reliance in defense manufacturing and aims to position the country as a leader in aerospace technology. Let's uncover what makes the AMCA a game-changer in the realm of modern warfare. The AMCA is a single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather multi-role combat aircraft developed for the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. It is designed to be a fifth-generation stealth fighter in its initial Mark I variant, with plans to incorporate sixth-generation technologies in the Mark II version. The aircraft is the brainchild of the Aeronautical Development Agency, a premier aircraft design agency under the Ministry of Defense, in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and private industry partners. Together, they have embarked on a journey to produce a combat aircraft that can meet the challenges of 21st century warfare. The AMCA project is not just about building an aircraft, it's about redefining the capabilities of India's air defense. At the heart of this initiative is the integration of advanced technologies and design philosophies aimed at maximizing performance, stealth, and versatility. Let's dive into the key technical aspects that make the AMCA a formidable contender in the skies. Stealth and design. The design of the AMCA is optimized for low radar cross-section and supercruise capability. The aircraft features a diamond-shaped trapezoidal wing structure, a V-tail, and an airframe that utilizes stealth-enhancing materials and technologies. The twin-engine setup provides the necessary thrust for high-speed maneuvers while maintaining a low observable profile. Stealth is a crucial aspect of the AMCA's design. The aircraft incorporates diverterless supersonic inlets, serpentine ducts, and a blend of radar-absorbent materials, ensuring minimal radar detectability. This stealth capability allows the AMCA to penetrate deep into enemy territory undetected, providing a strategic advantage in modern warfare scenarios. Sensors and avionics. The AMCA is equipped with a sophisticated suite of sensors and avionics designed to enhance situational awareness and electronic warfare capabilities. A key feature is the larger variant of the UTOM Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, employing gallium nitride technology for superior performance. This radar system, mounted on a mechanically steerable platform, allows the aircraft to track multiple targets simultaneously and provides exceptional range and resolution. Incorporating distributed passive sensors and AI-assisted multi-sensor data fusion, the AMCA can process a vast array of information in real time, providing the pilot with a comprehensive view of the battlefield. This capability is further augmented by advanced electronic warfare suites, enhancing the aircraft's survivability and mission success rates. Cockpit and human-machine interface. The AMCA's cockpit is designed with a focus on pilot comfort and efficiency. It features a panoramic touchscreen display for intuitive interaction, a multifunction display in portrait orientation, and a wide-angle holographic head-up display. The hands-on throttle and stick configuration ensures that the pilot can control the aircraft with precision and ease, even during high-stress combat situations. In terms of propulsion, the AMCA will initially be powered by two General Electric F414 afterburning turbofan engines. For the Mark II variant, a more powerful joint venture engine is in development, leveraging India's collaboration with France and the United States. This partnership aims to produce a cutting-edge propulsion system that will meet the AMCA's demanding performance requirements. Performance. The AMCA's projected specifications indicate impressive capabilities. The aircraft is expected to achieve speeds up to Mach 2.15, with a maximum range of 3,240 kilometers and a service ceiling of 20,000 meters. These performance metrics enable the AMCA to conduct a wide range of missions, from air superiority to ground attack, suppression of enemy air defenses, and electronic warfare. One of the most innovative aspects of the AMCA is its modularity and adaptability. The aircraft is designed to integrate emerging technologies as they become available, ensuring it remains relevant and effective in the ever-evolving landscape of aerial combat. Armament and mission flexibility. The AMCA features an internal weapons bay for stealth missions, capable of carrying a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. In non-stealth configurations, external hardpoints allow for additional ordnance, including guided bombs, missiles, and directed energy weapons. The flexibility in armament configuration allows the AMCA to perform a multitude of roles, from precision strikes to long-range engagements. This adaptability is crucial for modern air forces, where the ability to respond to diverse threats is paramount. In conclusion, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft represents a significant milestone in India's defense capabilities. Its blend of stealth, advanced avionics, and cutting-edge propulsion systems positions it as a formidable platform for the Indian Air Force and Navy. As the AMCA progresses from design to reality, it embodies the spirit of innovation and self-reliance, setting the stage for India's emergence as a global leader in aerospace technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of aerial combat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from AI Flow. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of advanced technology and innovation. Until next time, fly high and stay curious.